Do you guys want to relieve those sore muscles? Are you tense when you wake up in the morning, tense before you go to bed? Then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one's going to be for the Urikar Pro 2. I've already actually reviewed their Pro 1 model. This is the next one, and this is going to be their Pro 2 model. This is the only massage gun that I've actually reviewed before. The Pro 1 model, this is again the Pro 2, that has a heat attachment, meaning while you're massaging, it is adding a little bit of heat. We're going to see if this one gets a little bit hotter than the Pro 1 model. The machine size is 10.5 inches by 11.5 inches by 3.66 inches. Rated power is 30 through 65 watt, and the battery capacity inside of the massage gun is a 2600 milliamp battery. It has 8 massage heads, 10 hours of usage, rotating handle, heating massage, 3 massage modes, and high frequency. Just like all my videos, guys, in the description box right below the video, I'm gonna have this massage gun linked. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well in the description box below if they sell this in the UK. If not, one very similar to it. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself after the video is done. Without further ado, let's get it out, let's charge it, see what we got, and take it through all the tests. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get the Urikar Pro 2 out of the package. You know who's more pumped on it than I am? Berea. She's taking a nap down there, and she is daddy's helper. Okay, coming to the nice nylon case with handle. Urikar logo on the top. We have a nylon case, soft shell, but hard edges, so it's gonna protect it. Handle up here, zippers that come all the way around, opens on up. You have all your accessories here, your instruction manual here. We will charge this fully before using it for the first time. We have a little pop-up little flap here that has our charger, and that's going to be 16.8 volt, 1000 milliamp. Let's go ahead and look at the accessories here first. We're going to go through these kind of quickly here. Here is your heated one right here. This is the cream of the crop. This one is going to have your attachments right here so that that can heat up and give you a nice little run there. We're going to go ahead and, of course, test that and see how that one differs from the Pro Model 1. We have another one here. This is hard plastic, so is that one. This one is going to be your felt, kind of a tennis ball material. These are typically my favorite here. You have your spine U-wedge, hard plastic, a wedge, hard plastic. You have your bullet tip, hard plastic. You have your plunger, I call it. It has a give to it with some kneading balls on the edges, the end there. And then this one is very interesting. Urikar is the only one that also offers this one, a triangle with smaller felt tip balls as well. Okay, now let me show you what differs Urikar to the other models. You push in the lock button and it swivels there, and your grip is nice and kind of a silicone type of a grip, sweat proof, and you push that in again and you're able to rotate the handle. You have an LED indicator light down here at the bottom, your modes and speeds up here, LED indicator lights there, ventilation, logo, mode button with your different modes right here. Nothing on this side here, and your on and off switch right here as well with your charging import. More ventilation here on the bottom. And inside there, you can see the little gold prongs for the heat one. So what you want to do with that is you want to line up the top of this little lip here to the top little one right there, making sure it's well sealed, connected there, and then that one is ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger, and I'm looking forward to taking it through the test run. Ladies and gentlemen, a couple things that I enjoy after a nice hard workout, or just if you're sore in general, just need your body beat up a little bit, is number 1, coffee. You gotta wake yourself up. Number 2, massage gun. And ladies and gentlemen, I wanna talk to you about that. First and foremost, the heated tip. I could be wrong, but seems to be the same heat as the Pro 1 model. I'm hoping by the Pro 3 model that heat will be a little bit more intense. It's warm, but not hot. Again, if you're gonna be looking for a powerful massage gun with the rotating handle, this is the only one that I'm aware of that has the rotating handle. Long battery life, super powerful, heated tip. Let's go ahead and get that one out of here. And let me show you probably my favorite, this one or the plunger one. We got our green LED light right here. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on our mode where it goes, and my back is really, really sore right now. So let's just go ahead and work my back out a little bit. And again, I mostly use this while I'm watching Netflix at night, just kind of hanging out, hitting my shoulders. But, oh man, that feels good. I was doing a lot of landscaping, gardening last night. Getting older, you just pull your back, and I'm just grabbing it by the handle here, grabbing it up here. And if you want more intensity, either up the speed of it, or what I do is I just kind of bring it into my back a little bit more. And yeah, that feels very, very nice on my lower back. Especially, oh, okay, right there. Okay. Oh, wow. That feels fantastic. Okay. Yeah, this is something I definitely need to do more of. Taking the extra 5 minutes out of my day and doing it. You have to be consistent, guys. If you have pain, you want to relieve sore muscles, you have to be consistent. Stretch and use your massage gun if you are sore. It's a lot better than plugging down a bunch of Advil. Do it a more natural way, relieving pain. Again, shoulders. Look at my shoulder right there. Tennis elbow, golfer's back, boxing shoulders, beating up the system. Look at that right there. Hopefully not messing up the microphone too much. Look at the striations going right there. Look at the striations. Bam! You know what I'm saying? You got to keep it smooth. Look at the arm right there. Bam! Look at the tricep. Look at it just fluctuating in the wind. And do not forget, you have all your other attachments, your carrying case, throw it in your gym bag, watch your Netflix shows, massage out those sore muscles. I am not sure why I didn't use this last night. Just using that for about 2 minutes on camera, my lower back feels much better. That's no joke. Ladies and gentlemen, you've seen massage guns before. If you want a powerful one, long battery, heated tip, swivel handle, then check out the link below. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. But guys, just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase on away. That link, once again, will be below. Hit that thumbs up button if you don't mind on your way out. Helps the channel. Thank you so much. Subscribe on your way out. We got a lot of content on this channel. Definitely check out the videos. We will see you on the next review video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch. We'll see you soon.